You wake up, check your phone, money is already there. You didn't clock in, you didn't answer emails, you were horizontal and unconscious and somehow the number went up. That's passive income. Here are 4 of them. Dividend stocks. You buy a small piece of a company, the company makes profit. The company hands some of that profit back to you. You did nothing except own the thing. Coca-Cola has been doing this for decades, not out of generosity, because it keeps investors from leaving. The catch is the starting amount feels insulting. $1,000 in a stock paying 4% gives you $40 a year, $3 a month. You cannot buy anything meaningful with that, but you don't take it out, you reinvest it. Buy more shares, those shares pay more dividends, those dividends buy more shares. Math eating itself in a good direction. Give it 10 years and the $40 becomes something you actually feel. Index funds work the same way but require even less, which is the point. Instead of picking one company, you buy a slice of 500 at once. The S&P 500, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and 497 others. Some go up, some go down. The whole basket, historically, averages around 10% a year. You didn't research anything, you didn't time anything, you just bought the market and waited. Warren Buffett has told regular people to do exactly this. Not because he can't beat it, because most people can't, and this way you stop trying and start winning. The only rule is you don't touch it when it drops. You let it sit there compounding quietly, like a boring machine that panics everyone every few years and then recovers anyway. Content is the third one. A YouTube video, a course, an ebook. You make it once, it works forever. Every time someone watches your old video, the ad runs, you get paid. You're not there, you're asleep, at the store, arguing with someone on the internet. Doesn't matter. The video doesn't care. Your hourly job stops paying the second you stop showing up. The video doesn't have that problem. The first year you make almost nothing. The second year, a little more. The third year, something strange happens where old content starts outperforming new content. The backlog builds. The algorithm finds you. The thing you made 2 years ago does more work than what you posted last week. Effort rewarded on a serious delay. Motivating or deeply unfair, depending entirely on your mood. Fourth one, rental income. You own something, someone pays you to use it. A room, a parking spot, a car on Turo, a storage unit. The gap between what comes in and what goes out in costs, that gap is your income. Real estate investors call it cash flow. Normal people call it the mortgage paying itself and leaving a little extra behind. Slightly less passive when the water heater breaks at midnight. And it will break at midnight. Water heaters have a sixth sense for the worst possible moment. Here's what all 4 actually have in common. None of them are free. Stocks and index funds need capital up front. Content needs time up front. Real estate needs both. The passive part only comes after the active part of building the thing. You front-load the effort once and then collect repeatedly after that. You do the work in chapter 1. The income shows up in every chapter that follows. So you wake up, check your phone. Money moved while you were sleeping. Behind it is a dividend, a video view, a rent payment, or a fund that quietly did what it always does. You didn't earn it this morning. You earned it when you set the whole thing up. This morning you just showed up to collect.